everyone, welcome to Traffic Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this nice design. I'm gonna show you the second video on how to make a very cute and simple fast designs that can sell. Last video I showed you on the Zazzle designer tool how to make this kind of designs. So if you want to check out, look at the description section. And then today we're gonna make another design on St. Patrick's Day. We know St. Patrick's Day is coming after almost 1 month, and we need to make a lot of designs on St. Patrick's Day. So let's make this design together. First, we go on Canva and make the background black. Great. And then we want to write "I am lucky mom." So what we're gonna do is like choose text, heading, and then write "I am a." Great. And then put it here, and then copy. And then write lucky, and then we can copy that again and write mom, which is gonna be M, and then we're gonna put this in the middle and then copy the M. Okay, so here we are ready to make our design. First of all, we have to choose the font, the color, and also to know the style of the font. So what I saw when I went to Etsy, that there are a lot of nice designs. Okay, and you can see here that most of the font is like the handwriting font, and it's even black, white, or green t-shirts. So we're gonna concentrate. Last time we did this white t-shirt. Today we're gonna have a black t-shirt. Okay, so let's start. And the font I use from I am is Aloya. So let's choose Aloya. Great. Just write Aloy. And here we go. Cool. And I wanted to do for the second one, which is gonna be the light green one, the like handwriting and the colors, or the color is more like green, not white, but bright green. So what are we gonna do is go to the color and choose the bright green right here, as you can see, and I choose homemade Apple font, which is really nice and for free. Everything on Canva is for free, by the way, guys. It's not pro. So the font called homemade Apple, you can just write here homemade, and as you can see. Great. So I am lucky, and maybe you can make this I am like a little bit smaller, since we want to put some graphics here and here. Okay, lucky, it's in the middle, so I wanted to make it more obvious, so I make it a little bit bigger. And mom, I make it like, you know, sharp edges, so you can use even open sans extra, or I used Hasarpold. You can stick also with that. I wanted bold and thick at the same time, since they both are not bold or thick, so I wanted to make this bold. And then I just go to the elements and write St. Patrick's Day and press enter, and here we go. You can see that all of the first ones are for free. I'm gonna use only for free. So what I did, I just choose that one, which is here. Okay, perfect. And then easy, I just put it like that, and you can even check the color of the border. You can make it white, as you can see, or you can make it another color as you want. And then I'm gonna copy M, go here and duplicate, and after we duplicate, make it a little bit lower. There we go. And if you want to remove this, just you can do like, oh, if it's not, if you cannot, you just make like you can bring a rectangle. It's a trick that I use, always rectangle. If you want just to hide like this tail part. Okay, perfect. You can make this rectangle a little bit smaller. Come here and yeah, make it black, and here we go. Cool, guys. So I'm a lucky mom, and here we go. We go back to the elements section and write St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick. And yeah, we want this one, so I choose the one with 3 leaves. So yeah, here we go. And I want it to be in the other direction, so I flip horizontally like that, and then duplicate, and then flip again. And here we go, we have the design. I am a lucky mom. And you can make a lot of variation, guys. Like, I am a lucky dad, okay? I am a lucky sister, I am a lucky brother, I am a lucky aunt, and do whatever you want. It's just like the style. This is the style you're gonna use, and you can do a lot of variation. I hope you like this, guys, and I hope you can just subscribe, comment below if you have any question, guys, and yeah, share with your friends, hit the like button, the notification bell, and please subscribe if you like this video to make me more motivated to make another video for you. I hope you like it, and see you in another video. Thank you so much, and goodbye.